Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide camera cutout on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on displayed. Next, go down and tap on full screen apps. In here, tap on camera cutout tab, and in the list here, go down and choose which app you want to allow hide camera cutout. So for example, I'm going to tap on the Chrome app, and in here I can choose to show or hide camera cutout. So select one of the options, and this will show camera cutout. So if I now open up the Chrome app, you can see it will show the camera cutout at the top. And if I go back in here and hide the camera cutout, then you can see it will show a black bar at the top. So the black bar will basically hide the camera cutout, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.